Recording. Now recording has already started. I have seen on the top it has been given as Prince Chaudhary sir told that when it records, then on the top recording word is printed. And a recording word, as a recording word has already been printed there, it means that whatever we are speaking, that is being recorded. In the very first we have on that day, on the when we started the first lesson, I told you that every Sunday you must see half an hour. You must pay attention half an hour seeing the Indian map and world map. Yes. World map. Because whatever the information you collect from the science, social study, and the English, you can remember it, you can retain it, you can keep in the chip of your mind all these information only if you have command over the map of Indian map and world map. Okay, now in the tsunami, the very first part we have learnt about Ignatius. There were 5 members in the family, he himself, his wife, and two children. And one
father-in-law.
Mother's father and mother's brother.
Yes.
And brother-in-law.
And both the children, his father-in-law and his wife, 4 washed away, were drowned, were carried away, washed away, were carried,
were swept away.
Swept away, very good. ये होनी चाहिए, swept away by the wave of the sea in Indian Ocean and in Andaman Nicobar Island. In Andaman Nicobar Island, Ignatius was only person who was alive in the first paragraph, and all the 4 members, the 2 children, grandfather, and his wife were.
Sir, 2 other children, sir. 3 other children were also saved.
Yes, 2 other children were also saved, and other members of his family were washed away, carried away, swept away. ये ध्यान में रखना है verb. If you have command for the verbs, you can frame the sentence very easily. That is why I have always told you that we must collect the verbs coming in the lessons. So here the 3 verbs are very important: swept away, washed away, carried away by the wave. By the wave. Now one more student is joining, that is Ashish. Let me admit him first. Okay. Now in second, and when the earthquake, when it comes earthquake, the land tremors. There is a tremor on the land, and Megha has written about inside the earth that when earthquake happens, the whole of the land. I have written the comment to Megha that whole of the earth is shaken, and the upper surface of the land where the flora and fauna are, they are engraved. They go deep down into the earth, and when these flora and fauna come in contact with the steam, means hot and water inside the earth, it changes into chemicals. And when those chemicals settle, then it changes into lava, molten rocks, and when a volcano erupts, then they come out and the hill is formed. So there is a lot about the earth. When you will go ahead, you will have to study about the earth. Here we are learning that tremor. tremor, earthquake. As it is an earthquake, I have told you all this, that we must keep in mind what happens of flora and fauna when goes inside the earth. In the second is a policeman whose name is Sanjeev.
Sanjeev.
Sanjeev. And about his family member, when we talk, he has a wife and a small baby. A small baby. But Sanjeev, a policeman, performed his duty well. It is expected that a policeman come out to serve the public. When John's wife cried out, shouted for safety, then Sanjeev came out and went to save the John's wife. And in doing so, both of them, Sanjeev and John's wife, were
swept away, carried away.
Carried away.
Swept away, washed away.
Carried away. आप यूज कीजिए, जब तक यूज नहीं करेंगे तब तक उस वर्ब पर कमांड नहीं होगा. So both Sanjeev and John's wife were carried away. In the third paragraph, we have also read about Meghna. Meghna, there are how many members in the family? Her family members and 77 other people. 77 other people and her family members were also washed away into the sea and were drowned. But Meghna was lucky to save herself because she got hold of a
wooden door,
and she was carried by the wave. She was carried by the wave to the shore, and when she woke up from the sense, when her sense returned back, she was nearly fainted. She was nearly fainted. So that is the story of Meghna. In Meghna, related to Meghna, 77 other people were washed away. We must keep in mind, along with her family members. She was only one lucky member in the family to say. Then comes Almaz. Almaz Javed, father, mother, Almaz maternal grandfather, and maternal uncle, and uncle and auntie. इतने हैं, मुझे याद आ गया. Uncle and auntie, maternal grandfather, maternal grand uncle were washed away. But here again, Alma was lucky to save herself. Alma was lucky to save herself by
a log of wood.
A log of wood. And she was floating. She was floating on the surface of the sea. And over her, there were a number of helicopters. But none of them saw Almaz.
No, sir. Sir, helicopter was in the story of Meghna.
Helicopters were, yes, in the story of, very good, in the story of Meghna. Almaz was carried to the shore by the wave, and she was traumatized. When she had lost her sense. Now, when she found herself, she was floated to the shore, and when she woke up, she found herself in a hospital.
Hospital in Calmota.
Yes, in traumatized state condition, in traumatized condition. So you say that one who has gone through the lesson at home can remember all three. Four, we have learnt four. First Ignatius, second Sanjeev, third Meghna, the story of Meghna, fourth the story of Almas.
Almas Jager.
Yes. Now the whole story is ringing in our mind. Now come to the next. Now here is a story from Thailand. Thailand is also an island in the Indian Ocean. That's why I tell you to see the map. You can find out where is Thailand, where is Andaman Nicobar Island. Yes. Now here is a story from Thailand. The Smith family from Southeast England were celebrating. Now here is the were celebrating. I have here the question for those students who have till now not completed the structures, because without having command over the structures, it is fruitless to read any book. You cannot read the book. There will not be any interest in the book because you do not understand. How can you take interest in reading the book when you are not able to understand what is written there? That's why I suggest you to have command over the structures and verbs every day. I suggest you, but you do not follow that. You do not make sentences. Anita, good do. Yes, without having command over that, you can't do that. So here it is a past continuous. We are celebrating. Where was celebrating? Where celebrating? Mana rahe the. So what were they celebrating? What were they celebrating?
Christmas.
The Christmas. The Christmas festival. And where were they celebrating the Christmas festival?
In southern Thailand.
In the southern
Thailand.
England.
Thailand. Yes. And who were celebrating? The
Smith family.
Smith family.
Smith family.
The sixth. Now it is the sixth number. सब नंबर ख्याल है ना? Number 1 tell. Ignatius. हाँ, Ignatius. Number 1 Ignatius. Second
Sanjeev.
Third
Meghna.
Almas.
And now we are having
Almas Javed.
And then fifth. Now we are having the fifth Smith family. अब तो ध्यान में रहेगा ना? चलिए.
Yes,
sir.
Okay. Christmas at the beach. I have told you beach, shore, coast. You remember well. सबका मीनिंग होता है समुद्र का किनारा. बीच तो वहां होता है जहां पानी बराबर आता है और लौटता है, उसे बीच कहते हैं. शोर भी कहते हैं. Sea shore. I have once told you in class seashore journey. Have I told or not?
Yes, sir. Class 7.
Yes. Coconut tree. The rising sun. The colored.
Big and beautiful umbrella.
Colored under the beautiful colored umbrella. Tourists sitting
Ice cream.
Enjoying tea and coffee. So
Ice crunch.
Yes, the bear on the seashore. Okay.
Big and tall.
So I have already provided you a full description in previous class. Now only for this I have paved a path for this lesson. I have already paved a path. मैंने एक आपका रास्ता बना दिया है इस लेसन के लिए. समुद्र के किनारे। ओके, Christmas at a beach resort. Beach resort means where the tourists come. Resort means place. In southern Thailand, Tilly Smith is the name. Smith family में Tilly Smith एक नाम है. Tilly Smith एक बच्चे का नाम है. Tilly Smith was a 10-year-old school girl. A school girl. Her sister was 7 years old, and she had in the Tilly's family. We have 2 members till now. We have 2 members. One is Tilly Smith, and another has come of 7 years daughter. Sister of Tilly Smith. Their parents were Penny and Colin Smith. Penny and Colin. Penny is a mummy and Colin is a papa. So how many members are there on the seashore? 4. Who are they?
Four.
Who are they?
Tilly, her sister.
Smith family.
Her sister, her mother, and her father.
Okay. It was. Now it is very essential to remember the date given below. We are starting with this date is very important. You must keep it in your mind for GK. For GK, you must, because in any test you might be tested. This one for any job. किसी भी जॉब में जाने के लिए आपको ये डेट याद रखना बहुत जरूरी है. ओके. हाँ. It was 26th December. Was का यूज है. It is simple past. It is simple past. Anita and Guddu. It is simple past. It was 26th December 2004. Deadly means घातक. Yes. Deadly means which causes death. What is deadly? The which causes death. क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
मैं थोड़ा लॉ टोन करूंगा, फिर भी सुनाई पड़ता है. अच्छा, मैं धीरे से बोलता हूँ, क्या सुनाई पड़ता है? मुझे बहुत जोर से बोलना पड़ता है इस पर. क्लासरूम में भी मैं थोड़ा जोर से नहीं बोलता हूँ. Deadly tsunami waves were already on. The were on means had started. Were on means had started. Tsunami on their way. Tsunami was already on their way. अपने रास्ते पर वह चल पड़ा था tsunami. They had been triggered.
शुरू होना.
Trigger means cause. Cause means कारण बनना, होना.
शुरू करना.
They had been triggered. They had been caused. The house tsunami had been caused by a massive earthquake. Means it was the earthquake. Remember this. It was the earthquake inside the earth which had caused the tsunami. Clear है?
सर सुनाई नहीं दे रहा, आवाज आ रहा है किसी का.
कौन बोल रहे हैं? कौन बोल रहे हैं? हाँ, be careful. Don't disturb, please. Don't disturb the class. There, we have the break, and break will not do good because the rhythm of understanding is disturbed. The rhythm of understanding, समझ की जो लय है वह बिखर जाती है. Is broken. The rhythm of the law, क्या कहें? The rhythm of the understanding is broken. The rhythm of the speaking is also broken. Okay, they had been triggered by a massive earthquake. Means they have been caused. the waves, the deadly waves had been caused by the earthquake. This tsunami was caused by the earthquake. कहाँ earthquake? Inside the sea, under the sea. Of northern Sumatra. Sumatra is also a country. Geography, map. Sumatra, earlier that morning, early in the morning, tsunami came early in the morning to welcome the sun, as if it is going to welcome the sun. Tsunami came early in the morning, just as it is going to welcome the sun. as इतना सवेरे की जैसे कि उसको सूर्य के आने का स्वागत करना है, इतना सवेरे पहुंच गई. The water was swelling, was playing, खेल रहा था. तो was swelling means फूल रहा था, मतलब ऊपर उठ रहा था, ऊपर बढ़ रहा था. Increasing and kept coming in means to the shore, inside the shore. Penny Smith, who was Penny Smith, remembered. Penny Smith remembered. Her mother. Tilly Smith's mother. Smith remembered. The beach was getting smaller and smaller. Why? How the beach was getting smaller? Because it was being captured. The beach was being captured. Was occupied. The beach was being occupied. छेका जा रहा था. किसके द्वारा?
Water.
Very good. The beach, the shore, the coastal land was being occupied. Was being occupied by the water. Water के द्वारा छेका जा रहा था समुद्र के किनारे को. इसीलिए कहता हूँ, to understand the fast speech of Jhasar, you must have full command over those structures and the coming verbs. I didn't know what was happening. Is Penny. Here I is for Penny. Penny did not know what was happening. पेज पलट लीजिए. बुक देख रहे हैं कि नहीं? Book, you already understand the value of observing the book. Observing the book, it is very important because the words are set in your mind. But Tilly Smith sensed, past indefinite. But Tilly Smith sensed that something was wrong. Simple past. Sensed, past indefinite. हाँ, कोई कुछ पूछ रहा है. Someone is asking something. Her mind kept going back to a geography lesson. Her mind, whose mind? Tilly Smith's mind. Because she was 10 years old girl. And her mind moved when she saw water occupying the land. Her mind went back to the lesson which she had read. Lesson she had taken in England. एक चीज ध्यान में दीजिए. In the previous lesson we have read, जब दो एक्शन हो तो पहला एक्शन जो है वह पास्ट इंडेफिनिट और दूसरा एक्शन पहला एक्शन पास्ट परफेक्ट और दूसरा एक्शन पास्ट इंडेफिनिट. Here is an example. You see, her mind kept on going. ये पास्ट इंडेफिनिट है. और इससे पहले जो हो गया है एक्शन, she had taken in England. The she had taken the lesson in England. सुनामी से पहले ले ली थी, पढ़ी थी. ये पहला एक्शन है. और सुनामी बाद में आया, ये दूसरा एक्शन है. देख लीजिए, तो पहले एक्शन को पास्ट परफेक्ट में और दूसरे एक्शन को
Past indefinite.
पास्ट इंडेफिनिट में। इस नियम का ख्याल रखेंगे, ये ग्रामेटिकल रूल है। The she had already taken a lesson of tsunami. She had read about tsunami. She had taken in England just 2 weeks before. 2 weeks before. 2 सप्ताह पहले वो लेसन पढ़ चुकी थी about tsunami. She flew out to Thailand with her family. Means before coming to Thailand with her family, she had read, she had studied in her class in England. England में जो क्लास ली थी, that study came in her mind and she sensed. Tilly saw the sea slowly rise. Tilly saw, past indefinite, what the sea के पहले दी, slowly rise and start to foam. Means the sea started foaming. झाग बनना शुरू हुआ. Foam, bubble and form whirlpool. Whirlpool, एक whirlpool फ्रीज आती है.
Yes, sir.
फ्रीज, तो whirlpool होता है पानी में, जब पानी ऐसे ऐसे चारों तरफ नाचते रहता है, that is called whirlpool. क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, a form है, form whirlpool. She remembered that she had seen. She remembered, past indefinite. She had seen, past perfect. यहाँ 2 एक्शन है, फिर देख लीजिए, ध्यान दीजिए. अब मैं बार बार इसको यूज करूंगा. Till you complete it. She remembered, उसने याद किया, अभी याद किया. याद जो कर रही वो अभी कर रही है, इसलिए बाद का एक्शन है. She had seen this in class. क्लास में देखी थी पहले, इसलिए ये पास्ट परफेक्ट है. समझ में आ रही है? पास्ट इंडेफिनिट एंड पास्ट परफेक्ट.
Yes, sir.
किस एक्शन को हम लोग पास्ट परफेक्ट में देंगे?
जो पहले दिया रहता है. जो पहले दिया रहता है.
हाँ, जो पहले रहता है पास्ट परफेक्ट, जो एक्शन बाद में होता है पास्ट इंडेफिनिट. She had seen this in class in a video of tsunami. जब मैं क्लास में अटेंड कर रही थी, उस समय टीचर ने उसको सुनामी का वीडियो दिखाया था, इसलिए उसे तुरंत पता चल गया. Tsunami that had hit the Hawaiian island in 1946. Now, what was the video about?
About the tsunami hit
Which
Hawaii
occurred in 1946.
Hawaiian
Hawaiian
in Hawaiian
island. Hawaiian island पर जो आया था tsunami, that the video was related to that Hawaiian island. Tsunami. Her geography teacher had shown her class the video. That geography teacher had shown that video of a previous tsunami, not this tsunami. बहुत बच्चे नहीं क्लियर हो रहे होंगे, समझने की कोशिश कीजिए. And told them that tsunamis can be caused. आशीष, किया जा सकता है. Can be played, खेला जा सकता है. तो can be caused, tsunami किया जा सकता है. मतलब क्लियर है? अब by earthquakes. So how can tsunami be caused? So by earthquakes.
by earthquakes
Not
under
only
the sea.
earthquakes. Not only earthquakes. Earthquakes, volcanoes, and landslides.
and landslide.
Yes. By three happenings, natural phenomena. By 3 natural phenomena, tsunami can be caused. 3 कौन-कौन हो गए? Once more, earthquakes, volcanoes,
Earthquake, volcanoes,
landslides.
landslide.
Yes. Tilly started to scream. Tilly started to scream means
चिल्लाना,
shout. Yes. Tilly started to scream at her family to get off the beach. Means to run away from the beach. Get off the beach. मतलब बीच को जल्दी छोड़ो. She understood. Tilly Smith understood, and so she started crying and informed all the people to leave the beach.
सर क्लास खत्म होने वाला है.
हाँ, तो फिर री करेंगे तो रिकॉर्ड होगा.
फिर से आपको